Hello everybody, is the kit for this week is the Marivox FFVS J-22 from Swedish designed aircraft during the 1940s. There's the outside box, got a cover art with a nice little cut, got other options highlighted on the side as well. That's just the box anyway, the box top. FFVS, I'm not sure what it stands for, probably Fleet Flotille, something like that. Anyway, the inside, I've already taken the insides out. It's the instructions, a lot of blurb on history and the performance of the aircraft. The actual instructions themselves are rather simple, because it's a very basic kit anyway. They are usual expanded sections for the interior. Put it all together like that. The undercarriage, there's no wheel wells, but I think that the wheel doors are closed when the aircraft has got its wheels down, so it closes the wheels down afterwards. I'll be quick, but I'm not sure what this part is for, because in the photographs of other ones in real life, it's just the wheels haven't got anything underneath there, so I don't know what that's supposed to be for. Again, black and white illustrations of where to put the decals. The paint call out for Hambro paints. The decals are like that, fairly good, but they're clear. The blue may be a bit too dark, but you can get aftermarket ones lighter than that if you want. Lots of options. And there's the stencil instructions as well on the bit of paper yet there. Inside the bag, I'll take the bag off. Take it out of the bag already. You've got the loose canopy. Comes loose. It's quite thin, but it's clear, and looks as if it's part of another sprue, which they've already cut off. So what I'm going to do is put that in a bit of tissue to keep it from being scratched any further, because it's been rattling around in the bag with the rest of the sprues first already, so protect it from further damage. 2 sprues for the kit. If you have a look there, you've got quite good surface detail, recessed panels, some surface detail there. As you see, there's panels there to show where the undercarriage doors would be, but they're closed when the carriage is down. Not bad for flash, but a little bit of things you can trim off with a little blade. Usual platter around the engines, you know, there's always something around the engines to be tidied up. There's a bit of pressure on you at some stage, because the bit of strain marks there. This part has been pushed out of shape somehow. Inside, there's no real inside detail. You probably wouldn't be able to see it anyway. Little footwells there, footrests for feet. The rudder is posable, I think, because that comes on separately. Got a single piece propeller, 3-blade propeller, and it's got nice strong undercarriage legs. There's extrusion marks here, but they're not going to show up, and no need to cut them off, because they're not going to impinge on anything. The instrument panel is moulded, so you can paint parts on those. There's no decal for the instrument panel, but there are those little knobbly bits of wheel well or wheel doors there as well. But it's quite smooth, and should take paint well. A little bit of roughness to it, so it's not properly shiny smooth. It's not polished or nothing. But I don't think you need it to be polished like that. But anyway, yeah, Marivox made that's their kit number 1. and they made quite a few different Swedish aircraft in their time. But that's my copy of their J-22, and again that's the decals there. Good little line there, that's for a spiral on the front spinner, as per the drawing on the front. Right, so there we go. That's what it's like inside the box. Bye bye for now.